Quick question. When did software stop being just code and start being a weapon? Right about now. Because there's a new Cold War, quiet, fast, invisible, and it's about AI. I'm talking rivals, stakes, payoff. Picture two giants sprinting, the United States, China. The US has frontier models, chip designs, the cloud. China has scale, data, a government willing to move fast, sometimes very fast. Around them, a ring of power players, EU writing rules, Taiwan making the chips, Gulf buying compute like oil, India training talent, everyone else trying not to get trampled. 3 letters, A, I, 4 levers decide who wins. 1. Compute, not laptops, data center monsters, NVIDIA GPUs, custom accelerators, power and cooling, land. If data is the new oil, compute is the refinery. 2. Chips, the real choke point. TSMC in Taiwan etches the crown jewels. The US tries to keep the best gear out of China. Netherlands lithography machines. Japan holds materials. It's a supply chain Jenga tower. Pull one block, whole stacks wobble. 3. Data, not just size, quality, diversity, permission. Beijing can mobilize datasets at scale. The West argues about privacy, then tries to synthesize the gap. 4. Talent, researchers, engineers, founders. One great team can be a national asset. That's why immigration policy became an AI policy without anyone saying it out loud. Here's the part you don't see on the news. Export controls, shell companies, gray market chips routed through third countries. Subsidies labeled innovation, really compute stockpiles. Standards bodies that look boring, until you realize whoever writes the definitions writes the future. The stakes? Huge. Economic engine, military multiplier, propaganda machine, scientific rocket booster. Whoever sets the tempo sets the norms, what's safe, what's allowed, what's profitable, and everyone else follows or gets fenced out. Turning points to watch. Will bottlenecks shift from chips to electricity? Data centers need small power plants. Does open source keep pace, letting mid-tier countries punch above their weight? Can China close the gap without top chips, or invent a parallel stack? Do alliances like Compute NATO emerge? Shared clouds, shared safety rules, shared muscle? So what's the payoff for you and me? In the short term, cheaper tools, faster workflows, new jobs no one's named yet. In the long term, new tech hubs rise, old ones fade. Currencies of power shift from oil and shipping lanes to fabs and fiber routes. The rules of the internet, speech, privacy, and identity get rewritten by whoever shows up first with working code and enough servers to run it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Neutrality might not be an option. If your country doesn't build, it will buy. If it doesn't buy, it will borrow. If it does none of the above, it will be governed by someone else's model weights and someone else's values. So I'll leave you with this. Follow the GPUs, follow the grid, follow the grads. That's where power is migrating. In a world where code can argue, negotiate, design, decide, the real frontier isn't just smarter machines, it's who they answer to. If you want a part in this, learn a tool, join a team, help write the rules. Because the AI Cold War isn't just between superpowers, it's happening in labs, startups, and yes, your laptop. The secret battle is already underway.